What's up, we the bros? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are basically going to, short story long, show off what Travis does before practicing. We did have this idea that we wanted to basically make it really elaborate and have a bunch of technicalities into it and show off what he does. But because Travis is busy and Andrew and I were walking around the track trying to figure out good angles to record from, we kind of didn't have time to do it. In fact, we had already recorded an intro and we had it already squared away, but I changed my mind. So instead of this being a formal thing, we are basically going to be showing off Travis is practicing. We're going to be doing a Travis Truett practice showcase. So welcome to the video. You probably already know that from the title, but before we do that, we're going to pray, and then we're going to get straight into it. So hopefully you guys do enjoy. Comment if you like the idea. We're probably going to do something more technical the next couple of videos if we do something like this again. But yeah, without further ado, let's pray for the video. Dear God, thank you so much for the opportunity to be here. God, thank you so much for keeping Travis safe on the Father's Day race. And thank you for keeping him safe during practice. Thank you for keeping Andrew and I safe as our two brain cells figured out whatever we were doing. And thank you so much for giving us the opportunity to do this for your glory and your glory alone. And without further ado, thank you for everything you've done. In your gracious name I pray. Amen. Alright, so let's get straight into it. Hopefully you guys do enjoy.
race ready. We'll see you guys tomorrow at 7.
So yeah, as you guys can clearly tell, we did get a few cool shots. We actually got a chance to talk with the person who owns the track, and he basically gave us permission to do those outside of the inner track circles, or like outside of the pit shots. So a big thank you to you. We do appreciate it. I believe his name is Steve. He's really cool. But yeah, that's essentially all we've got for today. We did enjoy putting this together. Hopefully you guys did enjoy. If you guys did enjoy, please be sure to let us know how much you enjoyed in the comment section down below. I definitely do think that this style of video, basically doing some cinematics, showing off the car, seeing how good it's racing and stuff like that the day before a race, is a good idea. I definitely do think that we did find a lot of kinks based off of the footage, which is a huge opportunity that Travis gives us. We basically are like the not only does this content help us out on the channel, but also helps him out. It shows his crew exactly what he's looking at and how he feels. I think the biggest thing that we helped him with was turn 1 and 3, or 1 and 2, and then 3 and 4, because it showed exactly where the car was not getting his leverage right. For instance, if you go back and look at the slow motions, whenever he's coming around the turn, you can actually see the shadow underneath the front, which basically shows them that it's not low enough to the ground. Normally that wouldn't happen, but it was really cool. Big shout out to you guys and Travis and his crew. Thank you guys so much for having us and letting us record with you guys. It definitely was a privilege to be there and to work on the car, so big thank you. But yeah, that's all I've got for today. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you guys for tuning in. Always, you guys are super consistent and you're amazing with your support. Just so you guys are aware with upcoming events, the website is in its final stages. I'm talking with a few companies as of right now to clarify which company I want to go underneath and work with them so they can do the stuff for us, so we don't have to worry about not giving you your shirts. That's another thing. We're also working on merch. Stickers are still free. If you want one, go DM us on Instagram down below. But shirts are going to be coming soon. We've got some cool designs that I'm trying to figure out. Also a logo reprint. We're going to try and get a new logo only because we want to implement the underscore and the extra S so you guys aren't confused when you're looking us up. But other than that, that's all we've got for today. Love you guys, and we'll catch you guys next time. Peace.
What's up, Wheeler Bros? I want to say a huge thank you to everyone who has subscribed, and I want to say a huge thank you to your support. It has meant the world to us.
And if you haven't subscribed, please consider doing so. It's free, you can change your mind at any time, plus it helps out the channel.
If you guys want to stay connected with us throughout everything we do, please be sure to go follow our links in the description down below. And yeah. Speaking of description, we have links in our description all the way from parks that you guys have seen on the channel, all the way down to our biggest supporter, Mr. Travis Truett at Skyline Signs. And as always, I'd like to say a huge thank you, and thank you guys for watching. See you guys next time.